So I think I do have this sort of very simple first principles algorithm that I think could be quite helpful. And I sort of say it as a mantra to myself because I've made this mistake so many times. So the first element is for any given thing, make the requirements less dumb. So whatever problem you solve, make the requirements less dumb. And whoever gave you those requirements, even if they are the smartest person in the world, they're still dumb. So if say like this is where say military procurement, it goes wrong right at the outset with excess requirements. So you'll get sort of this giant document of requirements that actually should be like one page. So step one, make the requirements, simplify and just make the requirements less dumb. Because if you don't do that as the first step, then you can get the right answer, but to the wrong question. If the question's wrong, it doesn't matter. So then the step two is delete the part or process step. Delete. And if you're not putting in, if you're not adding back 10% of what you deleted, you haven't deleted enough. Again, this stuff sounds, I think, maybe very obvious, but it's very effective. But it goes to the ideas like if some of the ideas that you're doing don't fail, you're not trying hard enough. And then only the third step is to optimize the thing. And if I say like, what's one of the mistakes that I see smart people making all the time, especially smart engineers, is optimizing a thing that should not exist. Sounds obvious. Like you could try to make, let's have the world's best biplane, cloth biplane. I'm like, well, actually, no, we should have jet airplanes instead. So we should not optimize a thing that should not exist. And then step 4 is go faster. Again, this sounds really obvious, but people just don't. Try going faster. And the first step would be to automate something. But only automate it once you've done those other 4 things. Now, the reason I have this mantra is because I've personally, many times, automated something, sped it up, optimized it, and then deleted it. And I'm like, wait, I am tired of going backwards here. Yeah. So if you run that simple algorithm in many arenas of life, you will be shocked at how effective it is.